Lesson 43 is another set of oral reading. Dear Madam, as you know, on April 15, you bought 2 handbags from our ladies' store on Baker Street and charged them. Paragraph. You were billed for these handbags, and our bill should have been paid by June 1. Paragraph. Mr. James, a member of our billing section, has called you on the phone on 3 occasions, but he has not been able to reach you. Period. We are therefore writes to ask you to send your check for $40 to pay for these bags. Paragraph. Won't you please take care of this matter? Period. Yours very truly.